Brooklyn Nine-Nine star Terry Crews is set to host America's Got Talent, The Champions, the winter edition of NBC's top-rated America's Got Talent. Crews will join AGT judges Mel B, Heidi Klum, Howie Mandel and executive producer Simon Cowell on the series, which will premiere in January. Tyra Banks hosts the summer edition of AGT. The Champions edition will bring together the most talented, memorable, wackiest and all-around fan-favorite acts from past seasons of AGT, according to NBC.
The show also will feature the most popular acts from the other global Got Talent franchises. I am so proud and honored to join Simon, Mel, Heidi and Howie in hosting the #1 alternative series on television, Crews said. NBC's America's Got Talent is a show I love to watch with my family, and now to actually be a part of this special edition, The Champions, is more than I could have asked or dreamed. Now America's Got Terry Crews. America's Got Talent has remained the #1 summer show for 13 straight seasons. The final performance episode delivered the show's most watched telecast of the season to date, with 13 million same-day viewers. Crews stars in hit comedy series Brooklyn Nine-Nine, which is moving from Fox to NBC in mid-season. He was most recently seen on the big screen in Deadpool 2 and Sorry to Bother You, both of which were released this summer. America's Got Talent was created by Simon Cowell and is co-produced by Psycho Entertainment and Fremantle. Simon Cowell, Sam Donnelly, Jason Raff, Trish Kinane and Richard Wallace executive produce.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.